Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting what you need and starting immediately. Wash your hands and gently cleanse the pimple area so oils don't block heat. Once clean, soak a soft cloth in water warmed to about 40-45 degrees and wring it so it's slightly damp. This prevents dripping. Test the cloth on your inner wrist to confirm warmth but not scalding. Then place the compress over the pimple and hold steady for 5-10 minutes to draw blood flow and reduce blockage. Once the compress is in place, maintain steady warmth by reheating the cloth every 5-10 minutes so the area stays at therapeutic temperature. Aim for a full session of 15-20 minutes. Make sure you apply gentle pressure, just enough contact to transfer heat, but do not press hard or attempt to squeeze the lesion, because that increases infection risk. Keep an eye on skin color and sensation. If you feel sharp pain, excessive redness, or blistering, remove the compress immediately and cool the area with clean water. You finish the session by gently patting the area dry with sterile gauze, and if appropriate, apply a light non-comedogenic topical like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid to prevent blockage. Apply only to intact skin. Once done, repeat the compress routine 2-3 times daily for up to 3 days while observing changes. If the lesion grows, spreads redness, becomes increasingly painful, or you develop fever, stop home treatment and seek medical evaluation. This is the key troubleshooting rule to avoid complications.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.